Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or enable share emergency alert on Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on safety and emergency. Then locate and click on emergency sharing. Now make sure you already have an emergency contact added. Then turn on attach pictures and then turn on attach audio recording and then start emergency sharing. You can see start emergency sharing. Wi-Fi and location will be turned on. Then your emergency contact will be sent a request for help and message with the following information: the current location, an update every 15 minutes, a warning if your phone runs out of battery, picture taken with front and rear cameras, and a 5-second audio record. Click on start. Then it should say emergency sharing. Then here you should see something says preparing. Now this is going to send an emergency alert to your emergency contact of your Samsung phone. You can see if you go ahead and check your emergency alert, then you should see that a message is sent with the picture and a voice record, and that's it. So you need to make sure you have enough charges on your phone or enough fun on your phone to be able to make this works. And that's it. So that's exactly how to use emergency sharing on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.